it's time to go on an aeroplane.
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Bag drop na kami. Kasi nag-check-in ako online. Nagawin ko na lang pala yung e-travel namin. Hindi ko pa nagawa. Ayan guys. Amazed na amazed siya sa airplane. Ito pala kami. Nag-order lang si Ben ng Macca's. Ayun si ate oh. Are you done? What's that? After neto, punta na kami ng immigration guys. Because we're going Singapore Airlines today. So, international kami straight. Ayan guys, ito na kami international. I mean, nasa gate na kami. So, yan actually yung airplane namin. We're boarding at 8:10. Ang dami natutuwa sa mga scooter ng mga bata. So, that's a good thing. Hip hop?
Yeah, just
Oh my God, Riker, clean!
I'll change it.
Oh, you change him?
Lizzie's change it.
You guys, di ko pala napakita kagabi, no? Nabisi na ako kahapon. So, ito yung kulay ng aking buhok.
Where's the
So,
airplane ID?
Hindi siya ganun ka-light kesa compared 6 months ago. Kasi shorter yung hair ko nun. But, baka bumalik ako in about a month para...
Hello. Hello.
Ayan si ate, oh. Coloring lang without view. Relax lang siya dyan, guys. Parang late yata yung boarding namin. Ano? Putol, no? Kasi may pumuntang tao dito. So anyway, below dry nila. So pinapulot ko na lang din para at least kulot tayo today. But yeah. Ano ba sinasabi ko kanina? Bumalik ko dun sa kanya na in about a month para mag-lighten talaga siya lalo. Kasi gusto ko yung blunt na highlights talaga. Ngayon kasi parang nag-ano pa siya, grayish, ashy. Ayan. Where? What? You're there. Where's Rika? What do you mean, where's Rika? Where? Where's Rika? He's at the airport. About to board the plane. Boarding now, guys. Go, Rika! Airplane!
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
Ayan na si Sarah. Naglalagay na ng seatbelt niya. Inaalis niya pala, guys. Marunong. Gusto niya dyan. Inagawa niya na si ate niya sa window seat. Ito yung isa. What's that? That's your seatbelt. Ayan. Kukolor na si ate. Binigyan siya ng notebook ng flight attendant.
Papa, the airplane.
Yeah.
Papa, she's gonna fly the airplane.
You just gotta sit down though. You do your drawing. Can you draw McQueen? Can you show me how you draw McQueen? Yeah, okay, draw McQueen. Can you draw McQueen? Draw a car? Wow, very good, Roika. Well done. What about airplane?
Yeah, look, wait.
Okay, McQueen car. Ala, tinapo na. May mga stickers din.
Dreamy, breezy we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Ito na kami Singapore, guys. Nag-transfer na pala kami dito sa Sky T2. Ayan. Gustong-gusto yan ni Harley dyan. Nasaan na si Riker? Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung ceiling niya rin. Ang ganda na. Maghahanap pala kami ng lounge dito niyan. Anong oras na guys? It's already 4:22. Tingnan nyo, tuwan-tuwa sila dyan guys. Ay, ano ba yan? Nakakabwisit naman itong minsan tong camera na to talaga eh. Ayan, tingnan nyo, tuwan-tuwa sila. Nakikita mo kasi yung mga isda dyan. Everyone smiling at the kids, guys. Kasi yung kanilang pa-scooter bag. Oh, go. Nasaan na yung isa? Ayun. Ayan yung isa. Tuwa naman sila dyan. Yeah. Gusto nila yan. Kahit wala lang pram, di ba? Walang pagod. Tingnan nyo sila. Nanap namin yung lift.
That's the food floor.
The lift must be somewhere here lang. So guys, nandito pala kami sa lounge. Ambassador Lounge. Yeah, so kumain na ako. Hindi ko napakita yung kinain ko. Gutom na gutom. Hindi kasi ako kumain sa plane. Si Riker, grabe, naubos niya yung pagkain sa plane. In-orderan ko sila ng kids meal. Kids. Hanggang ngayon ba naman, there's no school.
I'll forward them now.
So, they're just having
Okay,
muffin now.
singer.
And then, we'll probably have ice cream later. Ate naman si Robot. Hi, Robot!
Oh, that's like the one at Jollibee.
Yeah. Look, he's coming here. Ali. The robot. Ay! Siya na talaga, inubos na yung akin. Oh my God! Ay! Babe, did you remove the paper on the Rikers? Babe, did you remove the paper? Oh, he ate it.
Oh God. What a mom.
Hinain niya yung pati papel.
What a
Ay,
mom.
nakakaloka ka ba ito? Riker, give it to me. Okay lang yan. So, meron kaming 4 hours layover dito. And meron akong lounge pass. Kaya ginamit namin. So, ayun yung buffet nila na dito lang. Ayun. Ayan. So, marami din pagkain. Kumain ako ng spaghetti aglio olio and roasted chicken. Saan na yung bata? Tinakbo na sila, guys. No running, please. Guys, lumabas kami ni Riker dito sa kanilang sunflower garden. Ako sa inyo ang kanilang... Totoo ba yan? Look! Huh? Yeah, there's a lot of bees. No, that's tutubi. It's a bee tutubi. Ay, ang ganda dito. Oh, ang cute. Riker, you wanna go here? Ang ganda nga. Ay, ito oh, perfect. Diba? Riker? Do you like it? Nandiyan lang yung lounge, guys. Oh. Ayan, kuha tayo ng ice cream, guys. Okay, ice cream. Ito yung kanila. What flavor do you want? What color? What color? Pink? Chocolate? Or? Tinan mo si ate humabol. What do you mean lollipop ice cream? You want pink? Vanilla? You want strawberry? Which one? Strawberry? Vanilla? Vanilla or strawberry? Come here, ate. Si ate, ang bilis na karinig, oh. Which color? Strawberry or vanilla? Strawberry. Okay. Strawberry or vanilla? Ay, both? Strawberry din. Okay. Strawberry din ako. Tara. Okay, I'll get you your spoon. Hey, get your spoon. Si ate din strawberry. Dato lang yung flavor nila. They only have 3 flavors.
What's the flavors?
Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
I love vanilla. I'm gonna get.
Oh, here's a spoon.
I'm gonna get vanilla. He broke it.
Maybe just get... Maybe
I'll
just...
get a hot spoon.
There you go, microphone. Don't panic. Ay, ayan na.
Unicorn.
Gigil mo si mami eh.
Daddy, oh. Daddy, where you from? I think we could get one. I'm making a waffle.
You're the loudest person in here. Why are you so loud?
He's the loudest in the lounge.
Oh, by far. Oh, I need a spoon.
Ay. Can you have a kiss? Can you kiss mama? You say thank you, mama.
Good job, eh? You don't break the spoon.
Daddy?
Aww. Thank you. Let me have, I have my arm.
Ice cream.
Thank you for sharing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Si ate ay,
7, 8.
hindi siya nag-iPad. Hindi nag-iPad yan si ate sa airplane. Nagko-color lang talaga siya. So, ayan, binigyan ko siya ng iPad ngayon. Kasi mamaya, matutulog yan. Kasi hindi natulog yun. Sa whole 7 hours flight namin, hindi siya natulog. So, for sure, mamaya sa Papinas, matutulog yan. So, okay lang siya mag-iPad. Hindi naman siya nag-iPad. Ito yung nakatutok sa TV and sa phone ni Mami. Yan. Ginamit mo yung phone ni Mami, no? Okay.
Good ice cream.
It is a bit hard, this phone.
Oh, then you get another spoon.
We're happy.
What?
We're happy.
What's heavy?
God, it's cute. Not too big. Mummy, look. It can't. Oh, like, seriously.
May baon akong pajamas nila sa mamaya makapalit yan ng sila ng pajamas.
Mommy,
Ah,
I see you.
right at the robots there, at the back. Here. The back. It's okay. Ayan. Flying to the Philippines now, guys. Ito yung isa. Kailangan bigyan ng phone yan kasi nakatayo, itatayo siya talaga. You guys, andito na kami sa Manila. That's crazy. Ang tagal namin dito. You guys, finally, we got all the luggage after an hour and a half. Kakaloka. Nagsabay-sabay nag-land yung mga airline, yung mga flights. So yeah, we're just waiting for Kuya.
Be gentle to your sister.
Pawis na si Riker niyan, guys. Buti na lang hindi grumpy yung mga bata. Mas gusto ko talaga yung Qantas flight kasi pagdating sa Angeles sa amin, at least alas 11. Hindi katulad ng Singapore. Ngayon Singapore kami. 2 a.m. na. Diyos ko, anong oras na guys, 12:46. Makakauwi kami 2 na.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.